Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orlando Pirates 3, Marumo Gallants 0. Last season, Pirates bashaye 8-1 escotini. The score should have been similar. Marumo had a chance to score first. Still, even if they scored first, Pirates would have won the game. Yes, we all know Guti Ama goals change the approach Ama teams, but this team is not well structured. I'm actually very disappointed in Coach Marumo. I thought he was a very good coach, but now remember, I don't judge coaches on results. I judge them on how they structure their team, and this team is not well structured. They are good in playing the ball, keeping the ball, but in terms of thinking and going forward, not good. They are defenders. They have people who don't want to defend. I'm not going to be doing a lot of tactical work, AMA formations and stuff like that. You all know Pirates is 4-3-2, right? I mean 4-2-3-1, right? So I'm going to be showing you how not to defend. The first minute of the game, I knew from kickoff, from the first minute, Guti, Pirates is going to win. The game is kicking off. Look at these two having a conversation. Yini le esisayikhuluma esingayikhulumanga before igame izoqala? Yini? Now, the second thing, when I talk about a well-structured team, when you go and press, you already know you press as a team. You can't be pressing one. This guy is supposed to be here. If, let's say, they were playing a 4-4-2, but they were playing a 4-5-1, right? But to press a one, what's the point of you press one? There's a player, a Pirates, you could have passed the ball here. So what they were doing, Marumo Gallants, right? This is the right winger. So the right winger would come here if you bowling up. Now the ball goes that side. Now the left winger is coming this side. Pirates. There's another clip where they did that. You can't do this. You can't have the left winger moving from here. Because remember, the Pirates, they are not a team that's scared of switching the ball or playing the ball diagonal. They can easily play the ball from here or from here to the right back. They can easily do that. Another thing, Pirates is going to win. This aggression. First minute of the game, already says Funo Ugulwa. It's too much aggression. It's not controlled. It's too much aggression. Remember, guys, we're not doing too much tactical work in this game, but how not to defend, right? Nenye into foot is decision making. Which pass are you supposed to make? Here, Utito ufunu uyayiforce la. Instead of playing the ball here, why force? Now here, how not to defend or how not to play? This is wrong. Should have scored. You can't come as Scotini and you get a chance one-on-one, you don't score. Uzothola ama chance engakhi? Angeke uthole 3 chances, 4 chances. Now let's look at the mistake here. Let's look at the mistake. CM. If you go back to the beginning of the season, CM had 1 mistake per game, right? Last year. Then this year, he's been playing very well. No mistake. Then yesterday, the ball is coming straight to him. There's a defender, there's an attacker on his right side. Someone is coming this side. Why don't you trap the ball this side? Yeah? Or protect the ball. When are you opening up your body, Uza? So why? Yeah? Why Uza? Why are you doing this? Why is he doing this? Why? Instead of doing this, trap the ball this side, pass the ball to your teammate. It's a simple thing. It's simple, guys. It's simple. Umuntu uza ngapha wena uyamvulela. No, mvalele. Go Orlando Pirates. I told you they are not a well-structured team, right? Then I'm gonna bring it back. What a touch, Mfukeng. What a touch. Let me take it back. Simple defending, simple. This team is not well structured. Ball goes to the right back. Look at these three. Now, I want you to focus on Mfukeng. Mfukeng is here, right? So he makes his run here. So this midfielder can't go there. Not good, he can't. He shouldn't go there. The center back must go there. Angithi bayithula. Bayithula. So he should go. Instead, wenzani? He wants to play an offside trap. Why? Uyambona umuntu, he's making a run. Why? Cabanga all this isikhathi anaso Mfukeng to trap, pass, look, abafethu. I told you from the first whistle, which this team, they don't know how to press, right? And then in the Sundowns video, I showed you how to do a 3-man press. You can't go to the keeper. Lagu midfield, free. Yeah? Remember what I said about the right winger. Now, Guti, he's gonna come here. If the ball was that side, the left winger was gonna come here. Asikoku under 10, where ufunu patreka, you can't press like this. What is this? It's either it's gonna pass the keeper or it's gonna pass there inside. Instead of being here, marabafethu. Asi under 10 imo to patreka, bafethu. And then you look at how many players this side. But watch. Bumarumu, bafethu. Imagine at this level, ufuna ukupatreka a player. There was something totally wrong with Marumo Gallants bafethu in this game. I don't know what is it. They were not. Mara bafethu. Look at this. It's a corner kick. It's a corner kick. Ibhola lisuka le ihamba phansi. Umuntu uziyalitrappa, uyashaya nokushaya. Nomfukeng naye, he's shocked naye. Bafethu. At this level, okay, sharp. This one is not ball watching, right? Doing his own thing. These two, I think this guy, the guys who assist la, right? Remember when they send 2 players to take a corner kick, you have to send 2. But this guy, he's pointing. We are called. Hey, Mfukeng Kyole. Mfana waval. No, go and press, Baba. Go and press. You can't be sending this guy to come here because he's focused here. What if they play the ball here? Bashai. Like there has to be someone good delight. When Umageba. Yeah? They are pointing. Bafethu. At this level. Bafethu udlala ngathi. There's a game where Pirates played. Sengkhohli ukuthi bebadlala noBabana. Where I said Guti, now there's this new tactical play or a pattern of play that the Pirates are. When the ball goes to the right back, Buthuma makes a run going forward. Let me show you that clip. And then again, I spoke about how not to defend and decision making. Buthuma making a run, he gets the ball here, right? Mfana ngithi defender. Why ufuna ukumchayisa? Just guide the ball. Guide the defender. Buthuma here. Now Mfukeng mfana ngithi. Don't be greedy. Pirates should have killed this game. First half. Another chance here, Pirates should have killed this game. Marumo, I always say, don't lose the ball in the middle. Nani niazi, guys. Don't lose the ball in the middle. Let's look at this action and then I'll show you what was wrong with this defending. Yes, ila makhoksa yellow lawa. Should have scored la utito la. But this was a brilliant movement. Brilliant movement. Take nothing away from the Pirates here. But it was wrong defending. This team structural nje. Abeko sharp. Abeko mnani. Now watch. Ball comes here. Now. This guy bega makela. You can't go with the ball njalo. You only do that boxing. If you're outside the box, if ball pass, you stay with that person boom maki. Right? Sharp. Now, Tito plays the ball here. Look at these two. There's no way two people can go to umuntu one. This guy should have stayed in his position. Angeke sonke sizopressa umuntu. If siyampressa bese liyadlula, then kuzoyenzakalani? Just like here. And then lama defender lawa athanda ukulala. Bathe kuseskodini, abanye bathi kusesportini. You can't sleep esportini. You cannot. Even in the second half. Stay on your feet, man. Second half, yeah, in the first half, Pirates should have killed the game. But what worries me is with him. Guys, we don't have strikers. Truly speaking, we don't have strikers. We don't have a striker that the whole country is no. Tina, some of us circulate in an era yabo Makati, yabo Sean Pachetti, Philemon Masinga, Sibusiso Zuma, abo Nomvete. You knew ukuthi okay, hayi. Makangekho lo kukhona lo. Manje there's two positions where I feel in the national team it's right. It's the center backs and our wingers. Lapho we have young players that basazokhula. In other positions, they are shorter. Now, the first clip. Our striker. Who is our striker? Mwanasese needs to do better. Don't lose the ball in the middle. Now, when I say you need to do better, this is not only his problem, but the standard set is low. You can't have. This is 4 against 3. Mfukeng should have taken the ball la. Umakhopa gijime aye somewhere. because decision making la it's not good. Umfukeng nguye bekumele athathe ibhola la. It's 4 against 3. You don't do anything with that. It's totally wrong. Okay, sharp. Siyadlala. Aradlaleng. Vala. Watch Umfukeng, he's here. He's gonna end up getting the ball there. Mana says that time he's going to the World Cup. Let me take it back kancane. Just a little bit. To show you London show. This is not how you're supposed to defend. You cannot be ball watching. You can't be ball watching. Watch Umfukeng. Just watch Umfukeng. Eh? Ball watching. Ball watching. Hey, ngwana sesi. Hey, unalwa mulaya man. You know, I watched the game yesterday. Then I analyzed it today. Ne? It's like I feel that in my room they were begging the Pirates to ibashaye 8-1 again. Come. Final clip bese ngiyayivala. Look at the barabafethu. Beka these two players. Yes, success kodini, kusesigodini, but akusho ukuthi kumele kuvule kumgodi. Khamsile. Kimberly yini bayibiza? Kimberly hold. Bafethu. A straight pass. Bafethu. Now watch. Lopsided. There's no one on the right hand side. Marumo Gallants. There is no one. It's going to be a minute of the Pirates before they score. Still, there is no one coming this side to come and help the defense. I don't know, maybe Bebaseva Kate. Clear the ball. Clear the ball. That's why Ngiti, I feel like the Pirates 8. Keeper's ball, when's the keeper? You are giving the ball away. For any. Just relax, my man, relax. Watch again. On the right hand side, the foot. Then, Umfukeng. Okay, let me play it. Lona lirata urobala. Lona lirata urobala. Let me take it back. I'm letting you show Guti. The keeper has the ball. You need to relax. Don't give the ball away. There's a player Omchela Elondole. But I'm gonna take it back. How not to defend? This guy goes here, so he's gonna be marked by the right back. So as a center back, you're supposed to push. Go to the attacker. Mvaleli space. Don't just stand and wait for him to shoot. Watch. Now it's supposed to be 1 against 1. You're supposed to come. Why Funuguti azangene boxing? Because once one gene boxing, now you can't take it. You can't. You take it, basically by penalty. I want you to watch this guy. Look at this guy. Uyamtshela ukuthi ibhola bekwelakho uyalahla. For what? Ulahlela ini? Hayi. Baze bayaja. No man. Okay guys, like I said, as a Sundown supporter, it hurts me to say Pirates is going to win the league. It hurts me. Yes. Sundowns can beat Pirates on Wednesday, but still, Pirates will win the league. Now, thank you for the messages, Kuma comments or positive messages. Nyabonga guys, please like, please share, but the most important thing, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.